Challenges of rocket launch in South Korea. South Korea has rapidly emerged as a growing player in the global space race. With the successful launch of its first domestically developed rocket, Nuri, the nation has made impressive strides. But behind these milestones lie significant challenges that continue to test its space ambitions. One major hurdle is technological dependency. Despite recent progress, South Korea still relies on foreign partners for advanced components like engine materials, satellite payloads, and navigation systems. Developing these technologies in-house requires vast resources, skilled labor, and time, making self-reliance a long-term goal rather than an immediate reality. Another challenge is funding. While the government has steadily increased its space budget, it remains modest compared to space giants like the US, China, or even Japan. This financial limitation affects the pace of research and the number of launches the country can realistically support each year. Regulatory and bureaucratic hurdles also slow progress. South Korea's space program is divided across various agencies, which can create fragmentation and coordination issues. A more centralized and agile structure could help streamline operations and promote faster innovation. Lastly, geopolitical tensions in the region present a complex backdrop. Every launch must be carefully timed and managed to avoid escalating tensions with North Korea or alarming neighboring countries. In spite of these challenges, South Korea's determination is clear. With continued investment, international partnerships, and a strong focus on STEM education, the country is well positioned to become a key player in Asia's growing space ecosystem. Thanks for watching.